Hey guys, 2011X Blaze here. I'm going to be attempting a Subway Surfer Zero Coin run. I've been practicing this in my spare time because I'm a part-time gamer and speedrunner. Let's go. Damn it, already off to a horrible start. I'm going to die. Alright. Please. No. Let's not talk about that. Alright, come on. Well, whatever. Doesn't matter to us. I want someone to rotoscope this. Or, I don't know. Maybe. Fuck. Oh my god. No. Oh, let's go to the... Mr. X knows his skills. You didn't know that. Or Mr. 2011X. Don't get me confused with that X guy. Alright. Trade? Nope. Oh. Hey guys, it's me, 2011X. Why am I doing this intro again? Fuck! Please. Alright. Jump on top of here. No, do not get the Y. For Tokyo, I guess. Damn it. I like Y for EYX. Or Y for Y, or you're not playing my game right now. Alright. I mean, it actually sounds pretty empty without the music, really. I'm gonna try to reach 2,000. By the time I reach 2,000, I'm gonna end the video. Actually, I'm aiming for 3,000 or 4,000. If I get either one of those, I'm ending the video. Alright, come on. Well, alright, no. Right here, alright. Okay. No. Fuck! Oh my god, go play my game. Play my game, please. New Chinese UFO? Who is Utani? Who is Unity? I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm using this water packet plan. No. Please, I need to get 3,000 or 4,000 or 1,000. No, the officer is away now, so that's good. No, whatever. Is he an officer or a chief or grumpy guy? I read the description. Said I was a grumpy old inspector guy, I guess. I need to make it to... I'm aiming for 4,000, but 3,000 is enough, I guess. Please. Hey guys, it's me, 2011X. It's my name. I'm 2011X. I'm not Mr. X or Sonic.exe. I am 2011X and I got a bunch of coins. I'm gonna do something. Please, 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 no. Or I might end it if I get really mad. Now what my keyboard is. Should probably cut that out. Alright, that's good. Oh! Please, I'm cracking my neck. Oh, why did I accidentally press the down arrow? I'm God! Alright, okay. Off to a good start so far. Jump into those coins. I can't do it ruins my run like that. I gotta quit. Don't even, don't even. Hey guys, if you made it this far into the video, make sure to like and subscribe! I'm not forcing you to. What I am forcing you to do, though, is playing my game. You should go play my game. Honestly, if anyone is watching this, you should go play my game. Please, Sonic.exe on Game Results. Fuck! I'll put my game up on the screen if anybody wants to play it. I mean, everybody should play it. I mean, if you don't play it, I'm gonna fucking... If this video gets taken down because I said that, I'm gonna tear my bones off. And if that part gets cut out, just know, it was originally something, I'll tell you that much. Alright, you should. No, play my game, please, play my game. No, play my game, please, play my game. Please, I beg you, please, just play my game, please. Please, that's all I ask for, just play my game. Or listen to my music. Shuckslover99, that's me. I'm actually Shuckslover99, I just made an alt account. I'm 2011X Plays. I mean, if the username is taken, I don't know. I'll probably be Shucks, 2011X Plays 99, that'll be me. If 2011X Plays is already taken, I hope it's not though. It'd be so cool if it wasn't. Yeah, this is the debut to this channel, guys. Hey guys, play my game. I don't know why I'm saying that now. I probably should have said that at the beginning of the video. I'm gonna play my game. We'll play my game. No, I don't need hoverboards. What? No. Oh, thank God it does this. Or thank me, I guess, because I am God. I'm not Christian. I am not Catholic. I am not atheist. I am me-theist. That means I think I am God. Because I am. I don't think I am. I know I am. Because I am God. Sonic 30XE. Sonic 30XE reference, guys. Don't take it seriously, guys. It's just a Sonic 30XE reference. I mean, I literally made the game because I'm 2011X. Oh, not. Well. Shut up. No! Oh my god, I almost got the UFO. What? Happy me. Not. I should probably cut out all the parts where I reference sewer, schmore, schmline. Sewer slide. I'm gonna cut all those parts out. Or I'm just gonna get a very shitty robotic voice to replace it with, like, Happy Me or something. Or I'm gonna do a voiceover. That's enough. I'm done. I'm 2011 done.